Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we delve into the nitty-gritty of the automotive world. Today, we're putting electric vehicles under the microscope. EV advocates have long touted their benefits over traditional internal combustion engines, particularly the so-called lower running costs, due to home charging, fewer maintenance needs, and superior overall reliability. However, recent surveys have thrown a wrench in these claims, particularly regarding reliability. It appears that EVs are causing 80% more problems than their gas-guzzling counterparts. Buckle up as we explore 6 shocking reasons why EVs are facing a reliability crisis. Reason number 6. Battery and drivetrain dilemmas. In theory, the simplicity of an electric car's system, which consists of a straightforward electric motor coupled with a battery, should make it less problematic than a gas-powered car. However, this seemingly simple setup has proven to be far from perfect, causing numerous headaches for EV owners. Many have faced issues with battery performance, including significantly reduced range and charging problems. For instance, the Mustang Mach-E often lost power, or wouldn't start due to a design flaw in the contactors, leading to an overheating issue in the high-voltage battery main contactor. This resulted in a recall from Ford. The Chevy Blazer EV presented even more challenges, leading to a halt in sales. This mid-size SUV, probably one of the most problematic EVs to date, had numerous faults and issues, including battery-related ones. Owners and test drivers frequently reported battery drain, charging failure, and similar issues, which were also reported in other GM EVs using the Ultium battery technology. Reason number 5. Software and tech troubles. The second most common issue with electric cars is related to software. Despite their supposed simplicity compared to ICE cars, EVs are often over-engineered and packed with advanced tech features. This over-reliance on digital controls is one of the main culprits of problems. The infamous Blazer EV serves as a prime example. Edmunds's test drivers took a new Blazer EV for a spin and encountered numerous software errors, such as an unable-to-charge message when the vehicle wasn't even plugged in. Numerous Blazer owners have also reported blacked-out infotainment screens and navigation system troubles. Even Tesla, a veteran in the EV business, isn't immune to these issues. The Austin-based company recently recalled more than 120,000 vehicles due to software issues that may cause unlocked doors to open during a crash. Furthermore, Tesla recalled 2 million vehicles to limit the use of its autopilot system, which has been involved in over 1,000 crashes in the past 2 years. Reason number 4. The quality conundrum. It's no secret that automakers are exploring every avenue to reduce production costs and make EVs profitable. One such strategy, it seems, is to cut corners in quality control. This trend is evident across the board, with Tesla leading the pack. The electric car giant has faced a barrage of criticism for subpar build quality. From water leaks and loose interior trim to rattling cabins and improperly fastened seatbelts, Tesla's quality issues have been making headlines. Despite claims of improved build quality, customers continue to report similar problems. But Tesla isn't alone in this quality quandary. Legacy automakers are also falling short when it comes to quality control. Even Toyota, renowned for its stringent quality control, seems to be struggling with its electric offerings. Last year, the Japanese automaker had to recall 258 BZ4X models due to a design flaw in the wheel hub bolts that could cause the wheels to detach from the car. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 3. The public charger predicament. Design flaws aren't the only contributors to EV unreliability. Public chargers, far from perfect, also play a significant role. It's not just about their quantity, but the quality of the user experience they provide. Failed or underperforming charging has become a common nightmare for many EV owners. Take Electrify America stations as an example. Despite their massive investment in charging infrastructure, a recent study revealed that only 72.5% of their chargers were operational in the San Francisco Bay Area. Furthermore, J.D. Power ranked these stations last in customer satisfaction. Every fifth charging attempt was unsuccessful last year due to a myriad of issues, from faulty payment systems and broken screens to software errors and excessively low charging rates. This suggests that EV owners sacrifice more than just convenience, as charging is more time-consuming than refueling a gas car. Public chargers, it seems, are not as reliable as EV owners would like, especially for long trips. Even Ford CEO Jim Farley acknowledged the serious problem with charging infrastructure after a trip in his F-150 Lightning, where he was only able to add 40 miles of range in 40 minutes at a crowded charging station in California. Reason number 2, dealership dilemmas. EVs aren't just less reliable, they're also more challenging to repair than their gas-powered counterparts. This is largely due to their advanced tech systems, including infotainment, battery software, and advanced driver assistance features. These systems are digitally controlled, making software issues difficult to fix. There's a shortage of trained professionals at dealerships, and even when they are available, it's often impossible to fix the problem without comprehensive software updates from the manufacturer. Dealerships often have to wait for feedback from the manufacturer to resolve an issue, leaving EVs undrivable until the problem is fixed. Owners usually have no choice but to leave their cars at the dealership, sometimes for weeks, waiting for a solution. For instance, one Blazer EV owner reported that screen issues kept his vehicle at the dealership for nearly a month. After a full update, the screen started working again, but this time, the physical controls didn't work, so the Blazer EV now waits for another update. This highlights the complexity and time-consuming nature of resolving software-related issues in EVs. Reason number 1, range reservations. While electric cars are continually improving, autonomy remains a significant concern. EVs are ideal for short trips and daily commuting, but for longer journeys, they fall short. Real-world autonomy decreases significantly under various conditions, and when coupled with the charging issues we've discussed, it's clear that EVs aren't reliable for long-distance travel. The problem lies in the batteries, which are susceptible to external factors like weather conditions. The maximum range decreases significantly in cold weather, and in-car electrics like climate control can also notably reduce the range. Moreover, EVs struggle with heavy usage. Consider electric trucks, for instance. Despite their impressive autonomy and performance, their batteries drain quickly under heavy use, such as towing, hauling, or off-roading. The F-150 Lightning, for example, sees its claimed 280-mile range drop to just 90 miles when towing a 200-pound trailer. Similarly, the much-anticipated Tesla Cybertruck can only achieve 90 miles with an 11,000-pound trailer, despite a claimed max range of 340 miles. Thanks for tuning in to Piston Pundit, your ultimate pit stop for all things automotive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest vehicle updates and upcoming videos. See you next time.